Puppy Takes a Bath from Dora the Explorer by Christine Reese, illustrated by Tom Mangano. Hi, I am Dora. This is my puppy. My puppy loves to roll in the dirt. My puppy needs a bath. Here is a tub of water. Backpack has the soap and the towel. Help me find them. The bath is ready, but where is my puppy? Is my puppy hiding in the bushes? No, my puppy is not in the bushes. Is my puppy hiding in the flowers? No, my puppy is not in the flowers. Is my puppy hiding in the doghouse? No, my puppy is not in the doghouse. I have an idea. Here is a bone. Here is my puppy. My puppy sees the bone. My puppy likes his bath. My puppy is all clean. The end.